How to hire an SQF practitioner. My name is Felicia Liu, an SQF consultant, working to help food manufacturers with their SQF implementation. In our last video, we discussed the requirements for SQF practitioner. We also hear from employers that they are looking to seek qualified candidates for their SQF implementation. Today, we're offering crucial advice and guidance for food manufacturers on how to hire an SQF practitioner for your SQF implementation. First off, there is no perfect SQF practitioner. So, the general guide we discussed here are all based on best practices. Also, remember that we also help SQF clients with implementation and growing the right staff into an SQF practitioner. In fact, most of our SQF clients have staff that is not qualified as SQF practitioner yet, and we help grow them into their role. Hiring an SQF practitioner is a significant step toward ensuring the success of your SQF implementation. Here's what you need to know for your considerations. 1. Understand the role. An SQF practitioner oversees the development, implementation, review, and maintenance of your SQF system. They ensure the integrity of your food safety processes and are pivotal in upholding high standards. 2. Key qualifications. When searching for an SQF practitioner, consider candidates who meet specific qualifications outlined in the SQF code but do not be overly dependent on the criteria. Remember, you can grow them into the position, provided they are the right candidates. For me, as a hiring manager, I look for someone who can adhere to the food safety code, diligent with their food safety controls and record keeping. Whether they have a food science degree or not, as long as they are willing to learn and practice food safety and evidence-based science, they can succeed in their role. Don't forget, communication and influence can help transform your organization's food safety culture. Both SQF training and HACCP training can be delivered upon hiring, and we have the perfect solutions for you, so don't worry if they don't have the right training to start. To be honest, even if their resume looks amazing, I have worked with quality staff who is at managerial level who is not ready to be an SQF practitioner. So, look for the fit for your organization. Here are some of the soft skills and qualities to consider in your SQF practitioner hiring. Attention to detail. Food safety relies on meticulous attention to detail. Look for candidates who are thorough and precise in their work. Problem-solving skills. The ability to identify and resolve issues is crucial. Your SQF practitioner should be a proactive problem solver. Communication skills. Effective communication is key to implementing and maintaining the SQF system. Ensure the candidate can convey complex information clearly and effectively. Leadership. Your SQF practitioner will likely lead a team or coordinate with various departments. Strong leadership skills are essential for driving the food safety culture at your site. 5. Conduct a thorough interview. During the interview, ask candidates about their experience with HACCP plans, understanding of the SQF code, and specific examples of how they have maintained food safety standards in previous roles. Assess their problem-solving abilities and how they handle real-life scenarios related to food safety. 6. Reference checks. Always check references to verify the candidate's experience and qualifications. Speaking with previous employers can provide valuable insights into their performance and suitability for the role. Employers, don't forget to hire 2 SQF practitioners. You can assign a primary and backup SQF practitioner. Theoretically, the requirements are the same, but you can always designate tasks based on your staff expertise. Focus on fit, industry experiences, and essential soft skills to ensure you find a candidate who can maintain the SQF requirements. For more information about the responsibilities of SQF practitioners and backup practitioners, check out our previous video on this topic. I will link the video at the top right of this video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more food safety and industry insights. See you next time.